Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about components of organization. The key elements of organization are shown here, that is the people, environment, structure, organizational behavior and technology. The first, people. The internal social system of an organization is made up of the people who work in it. It is the organization that exists to serve its people and not vice versa. In today's organization have changed and have become more diverse than before. Present day employees come up with a broad range of talents, educational backgrounds and perspectives. Hence the managers are required to transform themselves with the workforce in order to attain maximum efficiency. Next, structure. Relationships and roles of people in the organization are defined by structure. People working in an organization, they must perform different roles and have different relationships with each other. The division of work is done based on the capabilities and designation of the employees so that the organizational goals are met efficiently. These may be managers, supervisors, clerks who are working in one direction to achieve the organizational goals in an organized manner. Authority responsibility relationships are the essence of the structure. Next, technology. It consists of both the machinery as well as the computer hardware and software. It plays a vital role in modern organizations. It empowers people for their work and also influences their activities. Since work cannot be done without equipments, hence the organizations use technology to build buildings, design machines, develop work processes and collect resources. In the technology in terms helps people to perform better, but technology has some side effects like it is costly and it limits people in certain ways. That is, it makes them dependent on machines. So technology has both pros and cons. Next, environment. Operations of all organizations take place under internal and external environment. An organization is a small part of a large system which contains elements such as government, family, and other organizations. Changes in the external environment affect the individual organizations such as schools or factories. It also affects working conditions and people's behavior, and it provides struggle for resources and power. Thus, the organization should adopt it while studying human behavior. The next video we are going to talk about types of organization. Stay tuned.